We are about to build the volcano Hot Wheels for the monster trucks.
Wait, monster trucks?
Yes, this is for monster trucks. That's where we got it.
Oh, okay. I thought it was for the little mini.
No, for the Hot Wheel cars. Well, it could be for the hot little cars too as well.
Oh.
Okay, let's build it. So we already started a little bit. I don't know how long it's going to take us, but we're doing it piece by piece. Alright, Gio. Let's start building, okay? Okay, so we're already at number 4. Turn the paper around, let me see. So what's number 4?
Oh, I don't want that! I don't want that! You gotta...
Number
look.
4. Oh wait, we're missing this one. We gotta get this one. Oh, this one. Right here, look. See? You gotta look at the puzzles. It's like a puzzle. Remember?
Where do it goes?
So number 3 goes right here. You see? It's a bridge. It's gonna hold something. Oh, the volcano. It's gonna hold the volcano. So number 4 says side view. E. So it's gonna go. So give me this piece right here. Where's this piece at? You're not helping.
I wanna play.
Yeah, but you gotta help. Oh, here it goes. This is it right here. It's gonna go right here, or right here.
Yes.
I believe it is. Let me see. No, it goes right here. Nope.
Let me show you where it goes.
Oh, let me see.
Like,
it has a. Oh wait. It goes up or it goes sideways. Oh, it goes sideways because it moves.
What the hell is this?
So it moves. It goes right here. Look at the box.
Oh look! Well, look what you do. This is him, like.
And the body move. Oh, this is a gorilla right here. That's tight. So I think it goes right here. But no, it doesn't go this way. I don't think it goes this way. Okay, it goes out. Oh, okay, here we go. See?
Look.
There we go. Oh. Okay, there you go. That's how it goes. Okay, so now we're going to build number 5. So number 5 is the big one. I don't know. What is this one? The other bridge. Yep, it's this one. So this one goes F. F. Oh, okay. See? It's tight, look. Because the rock and the lava. That's tight. You see?
Wait, let me show you something. Look, they go like this, and you put your finger right here, and they go like that.
Okay, well, let's finish building it. Okay, so now we're gonna go with 6. We finished 5. Oh no, 5 still going. And 5, so we need the stick, the little stick, like the bridge sticks. Let me see.
Is it here? Is it here? Is it here?
You sure?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Look, it has the lava balls because when the.
Okay, let me see.
Let me get the lava balls.
Okay, so they come in the bag. Okay. Let's see. Is this the yellow one? No,
look what
this
it
is
does.
the little one. It's not this one. Let me see. That's like the bridge. Give me that one over there.
Here. Let me hold it.
Okay, we'll figure that one out. I don't know where it's at. I don't think. Oh, maybe this one. Give me that paper over there, Gio. It is this one. I think it is this one. No, it's a stick. I don't have it. No, is it this one? Is it this one? No, it's not that one. I don't see the
Volcanic activity detected.
But anyways, okay, we'll find it later. Because I don't see it.
I'm a
I don't know
nature
if it's
girl.
this one. It don't look like it.
Let's see if he dies.
It
Never
says it
mind.
goes-
I'm
okay,
busy.
we'll do this one. It is this one.
Oh my god.
We need to put the. And here goes the. Okay, let me see.
I'm doing it like this way.
Oh yes, I'm building it. Let me build it this way. Let me build it this
No,
way.
I can like this.
No,
Wait.
because you're gonna confuse me. So wait, let me build it.
I'll do it like this for a little quick, and when you're done, I'll come back. Haha. Right? My life.